welcome back to my channel. Dejenae here. So in today's video, I wanted to do a really vibrant, colorful summer makeup tutorial for you guys. The skin is glowy, but it's mainly about the eye look, how like we mix the blues and the orange. And guys, I really enjoy doing this look. You guys know I don't really put too many colorful looks on my channel, but I do want to start. So yeah, this is what I came up with, and I think this is a perfect summer makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I got this look, then let's just keep on watching. Not really colorful, but just like a nice pop of color. You know, summer is still here. We're still in this hot girl summer, okay? So we're not tapping out yet. So all right, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it, okay? So I already did my eyebrows. You guys know I use my Elf cream eyeliner, and I already prepped my skin as well. I use the Touch and Soul Prime Essence, and it's like a flower extract. So I use this on my face, and then I also use this, it's Touch and Soul again. I use this Touch and Soul No Pore Blend Primer. So it's a smoothing primer, and I really do like this. So that's what I have on my face. So I already primed. I'm going to start with the eyes first, and then I'm gonna jump over to skin. And with this Alamar palette today, it is a really cute palette, you guys. Like the colors are definitely like summertime colors. Like y'all, we just gonna freestyle. I really don't know what color I want. This cool taxi color, and just spread that all over my lid. So my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. finished look. I'm gonna get all changed up. Alright guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this vibrant summer makeup tutorial. I had a lot of fun filming it. It was like pretty different. I'm bringing something different to my channel. You know guys, I don't really do too much like colorful looks, so this is like really different from my neutrals or my browns or my pinks and stuff, but I really love how this came out. As you guys know, I was struggling with the wing eyeliner, but we gonna just keep practicing and it's gonna just get better, okay? I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you really did like this video. If you subscribe to the family, I will be so grateful for you guys. Leave comments down below, let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to check out my other content, okay? So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.